He gave him his orders in Monroe, Virginia, saying, Steve, you're away behind time. This is not 38, but it's old 97. You must put her in dispenser on time. Well, he turned to the black greasy fireman and said, just shovel on a little more coal. And when we cross that wide open mountain, you can watch old 97 roll. It's a long, long way from Danville to Lynchburg. On a line there's a 3-mile grade. It was on that grade that he lost his air brakes. You can see what a jump that he made. He was going down the grade doing 90 miles an hour when the whistle broke into a scream. He was found in the wreck with his hand on the throttle and scalded to death by the steam. Well, the telegram came to Washington Station, and this is what it read. Oh, that brave engineer that runs old 97, well, he's lying in old Danville dead. Now come on, you ladies, and from me take warning, and from this day on you must learn. Never speak harsh words to your kind-hearted husband, even leave